Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time seeing my face. Hi. Oh shit. I forgot I had this mic. Let me start over. Hi, my gems. This is your first time seeing my face. Hi, my name is Mora. Currently, I'm 20, and my life's the best. But today we will be meal prepping or like cooking for the week. So far, I just preheated my oven and turned my stove on for this. Y'all, I'm really tired. Like, I need to go to sleep, and especially because tomorrow is Sunday and I start my 6-day work week. I'm just really exhausted, like, type shit. Let's just get into this. If you could see back here, got a chicken. First, we're gonna start off with this chicken. Let me do a thumbnail. Okay. We're gonna start off with that chicken first. Well, no, we're not gonna start off with the chicken first. First, we gotta cut the potatoes. We're gonna cut up the potatoes over here. Let me get these bad bitches. Oh my god, I don't have time for this. I'm so tired, y'all. First, I have to wash the motherfucking potatoes. In my last video, I had this shit clipped on, but I feel like it sounded a lot better when it's like a little farther away. So we're just gonna put you like that, and hopefully everything's good. I am rinsing off the potatoes. I'm just doing a quick rinse off, like literally just with water. Normally I would use vinegar. So I don't have the time. I'm just trying to do this so I don't be spending money on food during work week when I could have just cooked. Cause I know I'm not gonna be tired as ever. So we're gonna cut these up. Then we're gonna transfer them over here into this glass thing. So let's cut these up. You can see it. You can. I'm saying like this so you can see it. And we're gonna cut these little things into fours. Maybe even yeah, I think four should it will be small enough. Because last time I did it, my chicken was done, but my potatoes weren't. I feel like this should be small enough. Then my phone stay want to run out of fucking storage. What is you running out of storage for? How? Like, it better get with the motherfucking program, and I'm not playing either. Okay, so just because I already started my oil is getting bubbling. I cut up my potatoes. I deleted 3 apps. I don't know. I can't delete no more. Like, I literally cannot. I deleted videos that I already deleted. I don't have time for this. And all I'm trying to do is get y'all fucking good content. It's like, it's a whole bunch of shit. Okay, so let's just get this chicken breast. I'm only gonna make some quick little chicken tenders, nuggets. I don't know, whatever fucking shape I cut these Jones into, yeah. Okay, and now let's get the seasonings out. I cut them into like little chicken tenders. I am not putting flour and all that extra stuff on them. They're just going to be seasoned little nuggets, grilled nuggets, or they still fried. I don't fucking know how to. Yeah. Okay, so we got garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, ah, a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of obey, okay, some adobo, and I'm gonna do 2 packs of stuff. I feel like it needs like only one. We're gonna see what it looks like with one. I'm just gonna do 2. Okay, now we're gonna mix this home. We're gonna mix it and make sure it's mixed good because it's about to go into this oil because the oil ready. It's fresh and ready. I might do a video tomorrow where I go get my nails done and I have a little self-care day. I don't know. I'll see y'all when I'm done mixing this. Okay, now that it's seasoned, we're gonna plop them in here. Okay, and I gotta get my little swirl them around, swirl them, mix them, whatever. That's doing what it needs to do. We're gonna switch over. Now we're gonna season the potatoes. And this chicken also, I have to get a pot on to start boiling this water for this mac and cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna put this water on boil for the mac and cheese. Okay, looking at the bowl, I don't know how the fuck this shit gonna work because it's gonna work. The potatoes are at the bottom. I think I'll just need another bowl to season them in. Okay, yeah, we're gonna season the potatoes and the chicken 2 different ways because from the looks of it, we're gonna have to do it. And I'm gonna mix it around. It's gonna come out good. Hopefully. You can't even fucking, this bowl's not even big enough. Child, I don't have time for this. We're gonna make do with what we gonna make do with because this is fucking life. Not everything is gonna be okay. I just lost storage again. I'm really not in it today. I don't know if I can tell you. My attitude is probably off. But those 2 I think, hold up. So some of these we're gonna let those get a little bit more crispier. Now all I'm seasoning these motherfucking potatoes with something like this. That's all. Okay. She paused that video. Now to season the chicken, I'm making my spinach chicken, so I made 3 packs of sazon. Okay, okay. Do a little bit of it. Adobo. I'm gonna do a little bit of Italian seasoning and a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic. Alright, mix it. Okay, I just took those tenders out real quick. The water back there, I don't know if you can see it. Steam's starting to come off of it, so that's good. Put in the little tenders in here. Because only one batch left of those. We're gonna put this chicken on top of the potatoes. It's seasoned. It might be a little bit, just tiny bit salty, but we're gonna have these. Okay. Okay, so actually the chicken fit on there perfectly. I just had to rearrange a little bit. Now we're gonna put aluminum foil on it and stick this in the oven. The oven is currently at 350 degrees. This is going in the oven. Okay. Now, we're gonna make this mac and cheese. Dump it in, and I have bagged warmed up broccoli that we're gonna eat. Let me put all these seasonings away. I might just really have to go to the nails tomorrow. I've had these on for over a month, and they're really fucking loose. Like, not loose, but they're lifting. I won't need that. So that's in the oven. I'll take the aluminum foil off it. My light is breaking, y'all. Y'all heavy as shit. Hold up. It just broke off. Look. These are what the chicken nuggets look like, or chicken tenders, whatever you want to call them. That's in the oven. That's doing that. While that is doing that, I'm gonna get this extra cheese out that I put on. Which one? Mexican or sharp? We're gonna do it sharp today. Okay, y'all. I believe this macaroni is done back here. These chicken nuggets are probably done. I sat down for a minute because my feet are hurting. I don't know. And then I done started taking back birth control at the beginning of this month. So I literally just start crying over the most simplest, smallest fucking shit. Like, I don't know. Take this out. And the camera not even fucking straight. So at this point, y'all cannot hear me because my mic is out, but I was just showing y'all the little chicken tenders, chicken nuggets, chicken strips type thing, whatever, and I'm still cooking. I'm waiting for that to finish. I think the noodles are done. Yes, they are, and that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to just strain the macaroni and cheese noodles to make this macaroni and cheese. So normally I just put like an extra 2 types of cheese. I think I do sharp and Mexican this time, and then I add extra butter in it to make it like rich. I don't know, but that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, because I like my mac and cheese like extra cheesy, extra rich type. So I mixed that first, and then I think I wound up adding the pack in there, and then I think I added some more butter at the end. I can't really remember, but we're gonna see from the steps. Yeah, I added some more butter, and I'm putting this broccoli in a microwave so the broccoli can be done by the time I'm done making macaroni and cheese. So obviously the audio is lost, so I have no clue what I'm saying, but I think I'm just about to tell y'all how I'm about to make plates. And yeah, I didn't wait, or I didn't get to show y'all the baked chicken in the oven because I forgot to record that. But yeah, I think I was just telling y'all. I know I showed my plate. Here, my plate is coming up with. So I got my. I know the audio was probably horrible today, but it'll be better next time. I'm still getting used to this new equipment. In the microwave. So got the macaroni and cheese. Here are. But if you need the chicken in the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The broccoli. And yeah, just got done, and I already seasoned it. I'm gonna be back in the kitchen, I promise. But this is my lovely plate. This is how my final result, my plate came out. And yeah, I had to burn my camera because the joint was dirty. But I'll see y'all when I'm back at it again. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back at it again when I'm back at it again. Thank you.